Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to cultivate the wheat grass. For the cultivation of wheat grass, we need wheat seeds. And in this video, I have to show how to grow fenugreek in tissue paper. Let's start. These are the seeds which are soaked overnight. If the seeds are fully soaked, then we see sprouting on the next day. If they are partially soaked, that means if they are half soft and half hard, we see germination from the next 2 days. First thing, we have to select proper seeds. If the seeds are broken or rotten, we remove those seeds. The seed is break, we remove those kind of seeds. Cut the empty bottles into this shape and put some holes at the bottom of the bottle. And cover the empty place with the tissue papers. Like this we can cover the empty space with tissue papers. Then wet the tissue paper with the water. Take the soaked seeds and we thinly spread on the tissue paper. Don't spread. If we thickly spread, there is a chance of contamination and the seeds will destroy. So we prefer thinly spread, not overspread. And then we cover with another tissue paper. We cover each and every seeds. Then we wet the tissue paper. Like the previous, we cover the empty space of bottle with tissue paper and wet the tissue paper. And then take fenugreek seeds and spread in the tissue paper. Then we wet the tissue paper. And the use of tissue paper is it absorbs water and it continuously supplied to the seeds, which helpful for seed germination. We cover the whole bottle with the tissue paper, which reduces the direct fall of sunlight. It's a great feel when our own seeds grown and eaten by us. It's such a great feel. You have to feel that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Step process which is very helpful for the beginners.